Hi everyone, this is a marble collision demo presented by Auburn High School. This experiment will show what types of things affect momentum. What's momentum? Momentum is the strength of a moving object. Let's say you roll a marble 1 into marble 2 times. If marble 1 is heavier than marble 2, which do you think goes further? If they weigh the same, what do you think happens? Still confused? The demo will show momentum in action. Now remember, parental supervision is required for this demo. And one last thing before we start. It might take you a few tries to see what happens. Physics isn't always perfect. For this demo, we'll use 2 sheets of paper, some tape, and a few books. First, we want to make a ramp to roll our marbles into each other. Start off by folding one piece of paper in half. We'll fold it in half again and crease it down the middle, hot dog style. We don't want the marble to bounce off the floor when we roll it, so we'll use another piece of paper and fold it the same way. So again, fold it in half, fold it in half a second time, and then crease it down the middle. Last, we need to tape these 2 pieces together. So place one piece of paper inside the other and tape what sticks out. Make sure to put the paper together angled. Next, tape the outsides of each section of each piece of paper so that it stays put when we roll the marble down. So place some tape to tape the outsides together, one piece of tape to go inside, joining both pieces of paper, and then on each side, we're going to put one piece of tape to close the paper. Now we'll start using this ramp with the books. So stack your books in one pile as shown in the video, and lay one edge of the ramp on your books. This part you can use some tape to keep the paper still. Now whenever the marble collides, we'll put one marble in the part where the papers join, that little crease at the angled part, and then we'll drop the other marble from the top of this paper. This is what the setup looks like.
So for our first collision, we drop one glass marble into another glass marble. Before we begin, what do you think will happen? We can see that they both go a good distance from where they started. Next, we drop one metal marble into another metal marble and see what happens. Again, they go about the same distance as when they were both glass marbles. This time, we drop one metal marble into a glass marble. Remember, momentum is the strength of a moving object. What do you think will happen when the heavy metal marble crashes into the lighter glass marble? This time, the glass marble goes way further, so that our camera person had to move to capture it. Finally, we drop one glass marble into a metal marble. The marbles do not travel very far, because the strength/momentum of the light glass marble is not enough to move the heavy steel marble very far.
So what did we see happen? The weight of the marbles didn't matter if they were the same material. For example, the glass bumping into the glass marble went as far as the metal bumping into the metal marble. The glass marble doesn't have as much momentum on the way down, but as it hits another glass marble, it takes less strength to move the other marble. The metal marble has more momentum on the way down, but because it hits another metal marble, it will take more strength to move it. So so it goes about the same distance as with the glass marbles. If the drop marble is heavier, it will push the other marble more, making it move further. The metal marble is a lot heavier than the glass marble, so when they collide, the glass marble went really far, whereas the glass marble didn't move the metal marble very far because it was too light to push the metal marble. Thanks for following along, and have fun with the rest of your physics demos.